Hello, here we have this Marshall effect pedal. It's a guitar effect pedal. It's a part of a collection from Marshall about guitar pedals. It's coming in this nice box. And we're gonna open the box and see what's inside. Come on, let's go. Well, here is the pedal itself. Inside the back. Let's take it off. Outside from the back. And that's the pedal. Jesus Christ. Isn't that nice? The full name is Governor Blues from Marshall. Well, it seems on a strong pedal, and it's got 4 knobs on the top and a push-pull here, out connection on this side, in connection at the other side, down. It's got a department for the battery. You open this one, you put the battery here, or you can connect power adapter here. Oh, Jesus Christ. And inside the bag, there is some documentation. Interesting. This seems to be Chinese or something like that, and different language. Oh, German maybe, French, Spanish. Agudos, it say. Medios, it say. That's Spanish. Volumen. It sounds like volume. Similar. Okay. And here they say how to connect that. We have an amplifier, the pedal, adapter, and then the guitar. And also, quite interesting is those settings. He said is a Governor Plus suggested settings. We're gonna try those. I'm gonna put the pedal with these settings, and we're gonna shake how it sounds. They call the setting Fat Blues, Crunch, Grunge or Hardcore, and a Screaming Solo. All this connected to an amp clean. Okay, I'll do this today and see how these pedals sound. All right.